Most producers don't realize how much their Ableton theme is slowing them down. Staring at a blinding grid for hours, squinting at MIDI notes, or losing automation in the background absolutely kills your focus and your eyes. After years of producing and mixing in Ableton, I've tried every possible layout, but nothing comes close to the one visual workflow change I'm going to show you in this video. You'll see exactly where the real theme and grid controls live in Live 12, how I use them to make my piano roll and automation pop, and how to build your own everyday theme that fits your workflow. And stick around to the end because I'll show you the external theme hack that took this even further, letting me go from eye-burning 8-hour sessions to deep, focused work without feeling drained. If we haven't met yet, I'm the digital avatar of DJ Legion. The real person behind me is building content, products, and businesses in the background, and I'm the one in front of the camera here. Everything I share with you is based on his own research, scripts, and experience. If you're staring at a blinding Ableton grid for hours, your eyes and your music are paying the price. Customizing your theme is not just aesthetics, it's about visual comfort during long sessions, especially late at night or in bright daylight. This is where you control your main theme, brightness, color intensity, and grid line intensity, the big four for visibility. Let's go through the default themes and see what they're actually good for. Every time you change a theme, zoom in and ask, can I see the grid, notes, clip colors, and text instantly? Once you've picked a base theme, the real magic is in brightness and color intensity. The goal is a sweet spot where the background is calm, but clips, notes, and important areas still stand out immediately. Grid line intensity is one of the most underrated controls in Live 12. If your grid is hard to see, you're basically editing blind. Turn it up until your eye can lock on instantly. If this is already giving you ideas for your own Ableton setup, hit like so more producers find this, and subscribe if you want more deep dive workflow hacks like this. Now let's build a practical production-friendly theme you can use every day. When you're happy, save this as your everyday working theme and use it as your default visual home in Live. If you write a lot of MIDI, your piano roll needs extra love. When you're programming drums, melodies, and complex chords, a clear piano roll means less zooming, less hunting, and fewer mistakes. If you're already thinking about redesigning your theme while you watch, drop a like so I know to do more Ableton visual workflow videos, and subscribe if you want the full series I'm building around Live 12. So today we turned Ableton from a blinding default grid into a workspace that actually works for your eyes and your music. We looked at where the theme controls live, how to dial in brightness, color intensity, and grid lines, how to build your own everyday working theme, and prioritize the piano roll. So if you followed along, you now have a visual setup that lets you focus on creating instead of fighting your screen.